This is a piece of 8 milli Euro drip tape. If you are installing your drip tape on the surface of your beds, your emitters need to be facing up. Buried installations will have your emitters facing down. This is to keep the emitters from becoming clogged with dirt and debris. Installing the valve is quite simple. The grommeted end will go into your main line, and the other end with a threaded connector goes into the end of your drip tape. Simply slide it on. You want to get about a 1/4 inch past the little lip. May have to twist a little bit, and drip tape's a lot more durable than some people think. Once you've got it up over the lip, just turn the threaded connector down until it locks on, and you may have to retighten it after you apply a little water pressure to it to keep it from leaking. And that really is all there is to it. Now on the other end, we need to keep the water from just rushing out the end of the line. Fold your drip tape over twice. Just like this. Let me zoom in and give you a good view here. Just fold it over twice. 1, 2, and then fold the entire fold in half again. And you can take another piece of drip tape that you've cut off and slide up over top of that. Some kits include terminator pieces like this one, and that'll keep the water from just leaking out the end of your drip tube and allow you to have the pressure you need for the emitters to work. Now one problem is that as the tape expands and contracts with heat, it slides around underneath your plasticulture. A tip we've learned from Lester Bray is that before you put your little end on there, slide a little piece of garden twine in there. Just slip it on in there like that. And now you can take that garden twine and tie it off to a stake at the end of your row. And that'll keep the drip tape nice and straight, keep it from swirling around underneath the plasticulture. And that's all there is to it. For more tutorials, you can visit www.feather.us and have a good day.